every stick's picked one at a time by hand, because there's only people who can decide which stick's ready and which to leave for next week. Our season begins at the beginning of January. The roots are grown outside for 2 years, and then in the autumn, second autumn, we dig the roots up and start fetching them into the forcing sheds. We turn off the lights, make sure it's pitch black, put the heater on, and we're tricking them into thinking it's spring. So down there, it's getting more difficult to grow. Time will tell. A long time ago, the season was a month earlier than it is now. With climate change has pushed it back a bit, because they need a period of cold in the autumn to re-energise before we fetch them in the sheds. Because we get milder autumns, we can't fetch the roots in as early, so it's pushed the season back.
The recipes are endless. I mean, at the moment we have 2 dishes on the menu, so we cook it with a French toast, and then we also have a dessert in the evening that we make like a rice pudding. The rhubarb's quite tart, and so we cook it with a lot of sugar to help counterbalance the tartness of the rhubarb.